If you've spent any time in Cosmos DeFi, then you are familiar with Kava. It's one of the original DeFi ecosystems within Cosmos and also one of the first EVM-compatible DeFi chains, so Ethereum users can bring their assets over from Ethereum to trade within the Cosmos. The platform allows users to mint, lend, borrow, swap, liquid stake, do all kinds of different strategies to generate additional yield on your crypto. Kava is also the home to native USDT, so if you have swapped into Tether from any DeFi protocol within the Cosmos, you're trading into Tether that made its way into Cosmos through Kava. The Kava token underpins the whole ecosystem, and staking your Kava helps to keep the network secure. And with the Kava 15 upgrade, the inflation was set to 0, so all of the staking yield is generated from fees on the platform, including Tether that comes in and then goes elsewhere within the Cosmos ecosystem. We are Atlas Staking, and one of the very early Kava validators. Here's our MintScan validator information page, and you can also learn more about us at our website, which is atlas-staking.com. This Leap Wallet tutorial is also available on our blog, and so we will leave a link to that article down below. Navigate over to the iOS App Store or Google Play Store from their official website so you can make sure that you're getting the legitimate wallet and not accidentally going to get scammed. Believe it or not, scammers can get their fake wallets into the App Store, and if your wallet gets drained, Apple and Google are not going to reimburse you. So with all financial applications, always navigate to the app from their official website. It's just good digital hygiene and good practice. All right, so let's get down to business. Go ahead and open up the Leap Wallet mobile app, enter your PIN, and you'll be taken into your Kava position page if your wallet is already on the Kava network. Usually Cosmos Hub is the primary network, so you may have to click the box in the top right-hand corner and you'll get a little drop down and just scroll down the list and then tap Kava to get your wallet connected to the Kava network. The mobile app operates almost exactly like the browser extension wallet, so click the Stake button down on the bottom toolbar. You'll then be taken to the staking page where your staked Kava tokens will be after we get through with this transaction. You don't see anything in the deposited amount at the moment because you're not staking, so tap that button that says Stake. On the next screen, you will choose your validator, and we would like to take a minute to explain that large validators are terrible for network security, and often they appear at the top of the list within wallets. Leap does a pretty good job where they randomize the list, but you will see sometimes the Leap Wallet validator is up top, and we discourage anyone from staking with wallet provider validators because they get big quickly since they have a captive audience with people using their wallet. Certainly never stake your tokens with centralized exchange validators, and just in general on every single blockchain, we encourage people to stake in the lower half of the active set. That will help the network decentralize, get stronger, and that can translate into higher token prices. So if you scroll down the list, Atlas Staking will pop up, or you can type Atlas Staking in the search box up top. And then when you see our validator information, tap on the logo or name Atlas Staking. On the next screen, enter the number of Kava tokens you would like to stake, and then tap the button that says Review. Verify the details look correct on the following screen, and then tap Stake Kava. Within just a second or two, your transaction will go through and you'll see a success confirmation, and you did it. Your Kava tokens are now staked, you're supporting the network, and reliably earning staking rewards. Now, from this confirmation page, you have two options. You can go check out your transaction ID by clicking that box, and you'll go to MintScan where you can view all the specific details from this particular staking transaction, or you can just tap that button that says done, and you'll be taken back into your Kava position page within the wallet, where you'll see that you have Kava tokens staked with Atlas Staking. Thank you so much for staking with us. This is the page where you will claim your staking rewards and even stake more. It's really simple. Leap Wallet really is well designed and user friendly, and so hopefully this tutorial has shown you exactly how to stake your Kava tokens using the Leap mobile app. If you have ever searched for a transaction and not been able to find it, or seen a transaction on your spreadsheet and had no idea what it was, we have got something for you. We checked out several crypto tax platforms, and Coinly is by far our favorite. And if you live in the United States, you will owe income tax on your staking rewards. They're taxed like stock dividends. And so having something like Coinly to keep track of all your transactions and generate a report for taxes is really helpful. And Coinly is adding support for blockchains continuously, and they already support Kava. So you simply pop your address into a box and then click import, and it pulls all your transactions in from the blockchain. And then going forward, you simply click a button that says sync, and it updates all of your transactions. And we have a discount link that we will leave down below this video. But one of the really cool things about Coinly is that it's free to use until you generate a report for taxes. So you can always check it out and use it for a while to see if it works for you. Now you've seen just how simple it is to stake Kava tokens using the Leap mobile wallet. If you are seeing this video on social media and you got something out of it, please click the like or the thumbs up button, which will cue the algorithm to show this video to more people who it can help. Certainly feel free to subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube, or follow us on X, and absolutely feel free to share this video with anyone you think it might help. Thank you so much.